Welcome back to School of Civil Engineering. This is Hedaetullah with another new video. As we have started Microsoft Excel tutorial series, and this is its lesson 6, and in this lesson I'm just going to show that the best 25 Excel tips and tricks. This is its part 3. So in our previous 5 lecture I have discussed about different types of basic requirement for learning Microsoft Excel, and in this lecture also I'll discuss about 5 important topics that very required for Excel learning. So let's start. And if you're new to our channel, you can watch our previous video, and also if you think that this channel is helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start. First of all, I'll open our Excel file. Now at first I will show that for formula show. Okay, suppose there have some formula. This is the product, this is also product. Okay, so there have 1 2 3 4 5 6 formula here. I have applied it here, 6 formula. So now I want to show about that formula. Suppose they have many more formula, and also I want to show every formula. So how will see that? They have the first way is go here, file, then from here go option, and from here go advanced and go down. Okay, and from here just have to find out here, show formula in cell instead of their calculated result. Okay, just simply click here, okay, I mean tick here and then press OK. Just see here, this is the formula. Okay, this is the formula. It's showing the formula, not results. Okay, it's showing formula, not actually it's not showing actually the result. Okay, so in this way we can found that. Again, Ctrl Z, sorry, here. Now again I will go here to change that setting, advanced. After that I'll just come here, show formula, then press OK. Just see here, this is our data now. And another way, just simply click on it and it will show you here in formula bar. Okay, it's showing the formula. Otherwise double click and here also it's showing the formula. Then escape, press escape to go out from that command. So in next I will show you about free spans. Okay, free spans. Now suppose if I suppose here, now they have many data. Okay, they have many data, and if I delete that 3, suppose here many data, and also I will delete that 3. Delete. Now you have many data, and when I am scrolling bottom, then I have lost the top. Okay, the name, the top name. If I also delete that, then what will be? See, and from here, suppose we have data like that. Delete that. So we have data like that. Now we will go down. Okay, you have a huge amount of data. We'll go down, or we'll go right or left. So we want that our top bar and or that first bar or any bar will be freeze. When we'll move, they will not move except the other data. Okay, suppose you have data here like that. Ctrl C, I'm just doing it for learning purpose. Ctrl V, Ctrl V, Ctrl V. Okay, suppose now I just want to show that data with respect to that email ID. Okay, with respect to that email ID, and also I want to show the bottom data with respect to that username or anything. Okay, here. Okay, so how will just just escape. Then how will just do that? To do, I mean to complete that procedure, just click here. Okay, so I mean you have to select the bar from here. I mean you have to select the box, the immediate right of the left box. Okay, I mean at which bar, I mean at which box, which column you want to freeze, and which row you want to freeze the immediate bottom and immediate right of that line. Okay, so I want to freeze that line, and also I want to freeze that line, that two line. So I will just select, this is the immediate bottom and this is the immediate right, so that line I will select that. Okay, so just click on that bar. After that, go, so after that go here, view. Okay, so from view just come here, freeze pans. So they have three options. So first of all, if a user freeze top row, so if you want to freeze top row, just simply click here and just go bottom. Just see here, this row are not moving, this row are not moving anymore. But if we go right, our that bar are moving. Okay, so again simply click here and come here, and from here just simply click here. Okay, and sorry, just click here, unfreeze. Okay, now when we will move that, it will move. Now suppose we want to move our that side, I mean left side, I mean the immediate left column. Then just simply come here, and from here freeze first column. So just when we'll move that, just see now it's not moving. Okay, it's not moving at now. Okay, just again come here and click here, unfreeze, then it will move. Now I just want that that first column and my first row will not move, they will be freeze. So just simply click here. Okay, the immediate top and immediate right, immediate bottom and immediate right. After that come here, and from here freeze pans. Okay, freeze pans. Okay, now just simply go left or right, just see that this line are not moving, and also go top or bottom, just see that this line are not moving. So in this way, just we can in this way we can freeze our required data where it is required. So I think it's clear to you. Okay, now we will see about forecast sheet. Okay, so for that, suppose if I go here, suppose I have some data like, sorry, Control Z. I have some historical data. When you will get some historical data with respect to a month or any data value, then you can do that. Okay, suppose this is two data, just simply we have to select that. Okay, we have to select that, then go here, data. Okay, go here, data, then click here, forecast sheet. Simply click here, sorry, it's select that data, forecast int, and if we select from here, what happens, see, just it's showing a state line, because they have no changing of that value in future. Okay, it's 1 2 3 4 5 6 with respect to that data, that value are not changing. So if we cancel that, and from here, okay, from here if I change that value, it's 2, it's 5, it's 1, it's 5, it's 3, it's 6, it's 2, okay, it's 9. Now if we select that and if we go here forecast data, just see here our data are changing. I mean, it's showing a forecast data. Okay, so like that it's showing us, I mean, our data validation or our data can be changed like that way with respect to that value. So it's just showing that. Okay, so this is the way, I mean, when we'll use that, when we have to predict some data, some rainfall or any of data, I mean, which work we use as a civil engineer, I have used a rainfall prediction, so then we can use that data for our future prediction. Okay, so I'll just, after that you have to create. Okay, so this is your data, this is your future predicted data. Okay, just I will simply delete that tab. Okay, no problem, no need to delete. After that I will show you about that how to move some data. Okay, how to move some data. So from here, how can we move some data? So to move some data, simply select that data and take your mouse on that line, and you will see here a 4-side arrow. Here, when you'll take your mouse here, it's showing 4-side arrow. After that, simply move your data where you want to move. Just see that your data have moved like that way. Also, Ctrl Z, you can move full data like that way. Ctrl Z again. You can also move a column just like that, or also you can move a row. Just take your mouse here and fixed with 4 arrows, then move that. Just like that you can move your data. Now I'll just show you something. Suppose this is a table and we have to find out this table is very small. But when we have a big table and we need to find out the blank data and we need to remove that blank, so how we'll do that? Actually, just simply take your I mean, click any any position of that table. After that, go home, and from here find and search and go to a special. After that, from here blank, then press OK. Just see here it's showing 1 2 3 4. That 4 1 2 3 4, that 4 pointer showing us blank. So just take your mouse here and click delete, and from here shift cell left. Okay, then press OK. Just see here, this is our data and our blank have removed. Okay, our blank data have removed. So in this way, just we can use that for tips and tricks and for the basic idea to improve our Excel. So if you think that was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also stay with us, and don't forget to press the bell icon and also like our video, share our video, and don't forget to leave a comment, cause your own comment inspires for the next work. So thank you very much. Stay connected till next video.